Are you getting ready for school now, Noah?
Yes, Mom. I am getting ready now.
Your shoes look even worse today than yesterday.
They are still okay. I can still wear them.
I am sorry that I cannot buy new ones yet.
It is okay, Mom. Please do not feel bad.
You are a strong boy, and I know that.
I can still run in them, so I will try.
Hey, are you still thinking about the big school race today?
Yes, I am. I really want to try.
Eat well before you go, so you have enough strength.
Thank you, Mom. This is enough for me.
Do your best today, and believe in yourself.
I will. I really want to do well. Look at Noah's shoes. They are almost broken apart. They look ready to fall apart before lunchtime. Just ignore them and keep walking forward. Hi, Noah. Good morning. How are you today? Hi, Mia. I am okay this morning. Your shoes are really torn. They look very painful. Yes, they are old, but I can still wear them. Do they hurt your feet when you walk in them? A little, but I can still manage.
The big race is today. Are you still joining it?
Yes, I am. I still want to run.
Today is race day, so give your best effort. This race is about heart, effort, and courage.
I will win this race very easily today. Of course you will. You always think you are the best.
Winning is not everything. Character matters too.
Are you really going to run in those shoes? Yes, I am. I really want to race. But what about your shoes and your feet? I will run carefully and do my best.
Carefully. Carefully? In those old broken shoes of yours?
Yes, I am still going to run today.
You will lose before the race even really starts.
Leave him alone, Ethan. Stop acting like that.
That is enough. We do not speak like that here. Respect every runner standing on this field today.
Fine, fine. I will stop talking now.
Noah, are your shoes safe enough for this race?
Gee. They are old, but I can still run in them.
Do you still truly want to race today?
Raining. And certainly bring praise today. Yes, sir. I really do want to run.
Then run with courage and trust your heart.
You can do this, Noah. I believe in you. No. I will try my best and keep going.
Good luck, everyone. Run with honesty and heart.
Runners, take your places at the line now.
Try not to trip before the race really starts. Just run your race, and I will run mine. Go, Noah! I know you can do it.
Ready? Are you ready? Go!
This is too easy for me already. Keep going. Just keep moving forward. Good job, Noah. Keep running and do not stop. You are too slow to catch me today. Do not stop now. Keep going forward. Oh no, my shoe is coming loose now.
His shoe is opening. I hope he stays safe.
Noah, be careful. Please watch your step. I can do this. I just need balance. Go, Ethan! Keep running fast. Keep running. Do not give up now.
You are a strong boy, Noah. Keep believing.
Do not give up, Noah. Keep going. One more step. Then one more again. Why is he still right behind me?
That boy truly has heart and courage.
Who is that determined boy running there?
That is Noah. He is really strong. My foot hurts, but I can still run. Almost there. Just a little more now. No. No way. He cannot pass me now. Noah, run! You are so close!
Push to the end. Do not stop now.
For Mom! I have to finish strong. What? What? He is right beside me now. He passed him. He passed him. Noah passed Ethan.
Noah wins. He crossed the line first.
You did it, Noah! You really did it! I won? Did I really win the race?
Yes, you won. You earned this victory.
Huh? Neat.
That was incredible. You showed real courage today.
I do not believe that he actually won. I knew you were strong all along, Noah. My shoes almost broke, but I kept running.
Your shoes were weak, but your spirit was not.
Noah, what happened? Why did they call me here?
Mom, I won the race today. I came first.
You won? Noah, is that really true?
Yes, it is true. He came first in the race.
Your son has great courage and a strong heart.
This school is very proud of him today.
I am so proud of you, my brave boy.
Noah, I was wrong about you before. Do not laugh at people again. It can hurt them deeply. Torn shoes do not mean a weak heart.